there's the horses out there. Look at this hail coming down. Say 3/8 of an inch, 10 millimeters. This is something, and the horse is just standing there. They were running around a little bit when I looked at it first. 50 degrees it appears. Oh, hail's coming in the house. Holy crap. And listen to that stuff hitting. We don't get this hardly at all. It's the first hailstorm I can remember. Those guys are out there getting the hell beat out of them. And the ground is turned white. Okay, it's receding now. Probably over. Well, so much for exciting weather. And we've got a lot of, that's it.